Nothing cheers a room faster than a vase filled with flowers picked fresh from the garden. Some work better in bouquets than others. The best have strong stems and last a long time once cut. In this video, we highlight some of the easiest cut flowers to grow that are also deer resistant. Daffodils welcome spring with their sunny blooms. They grow happily in any well-drained soil and gradually multiply over time. Gardeners love them, but deer virtually never bother them. For longest-lasting bouquets, put them in shallow water and change the water every couple of days. Peonies offer a huge payoff for surprisingly little effort. In late spring, they unfold their dramatic fluffy blossoms, which are often fragrant as well. Give them fertile, well-drained soil, preferably in full sun. A few peonies in a vase is all it takes for an impressive display. Foxgloves add an old-fashioned charm to any garden with their tall spikes of pink, yellow, white, or rose tubular flowers. They're happy in sun or part shade and bloom early to midsummer. Their strong stems rarely need staking and make them ideal cut flowers. Salvia blooms for weeks in the summer. Its bright red or blue flowers add sparkle to summer bouquets. It loves full sun and hot weather but doesn't like to dry out. Keep it watered during dry spells and it will reward you with beautiful blooms. For trouble-free summer blooms, consider yarrow. It blooms from summer to early fall in virtually any soil despite heat or drought. Most yarrow is yellow, but there are pink and red varieties as well. Its fern-like leaves add texture to the garden. It can be used in either fresh or dry flower arrangements. In late summer, when many flowers are fading, globe thistle takes the stage. Its balls of spiky flowers on upright stems stop the show, whether in the garden or in a bouquet. Globe thistle prefers full sun and withstands drought. It's useful in both fresh and dried flower arrangements and holds its color when dried. These are some of the very best cut flowers that deer rarely bother. There are many other excellent cut flowers, including daisies, sunflowers, black-eyed Susans, coneflowers, and many more, that deer will devour if given the chance. If you want to grow these, there's a simple solution. Protect them with #1 rated Bobex deer repellent. Rated #1 in independent studies, Bobex is safe, effective, and long-lasting. Even better, it's guaranteed.